Welcome to Digital Genie. Today, we're diving into a question many YouTube TV users have. Does YouTube TV have voice control? Stay tuned as we break it down step by step. Step 1. What is YouTube TV? YouTube TV is a popular streaming service that gives you access to live TV, cloud DVR, and on demand content. But can you control it with just your voice? The answer is yes, and we'll show you how. Step 2. Using voice control on smart TVs. If you have a smart TV with Google Assistant built in, controlling YouTube TV is easy. Press the microphone button on your remote and say, "Play CNN on YouTube TV." Your TV will take care of the rest. Step 3. Controlling YouTube TV with Google Assistant devices. Got a Google Nest speaker or an Android phone? Just say, "Hey Google, open YouTube TV and play ESPN." As long as your devices are linked, you can enjoy hands-free control. Step 4. Using voice commands on mobile devices. The YouTube TV app includes a built-in voice search. Tap the microphone icon and say the name of a show or channel. This feature makes it easier to find content without typing. Step 5. Voice control with streaming devices. If you use a Chromecast with Google TV, Roku, or Fire TV, check if your remote has a voice control button. Press and hold it to give commands like pause, rewind, or skip ahead 30 seconds. Step 6. Understanding the limitations. Not all voice commands work the same on every device. For example, skipping commercials may not be supported in some cases. Make sure to check your device's settings for compatibility. Voice control makes YouTube TV even more user-friendly. Try these features out and see how they work for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips from Digital Genie.